Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with TheChartGuys. It's Thursday, April 20th. Gonna do my nightly video on gold. So gold, we ended up with a inside hourly candles, multiple inside hourly candles, and again, inside candles are when the high and low or the candle are within the previous candles high and low. So we have 3 in a row here with a top here at 1283.60 is clear resistance. So a break of 1283.60 on the hourly and close above it would be a bull break of the inside candle with confirmation by closing above this high here of 1284.20 and breaking that high. And then the next resistance to look at is 1285.20. If we get a bear break, confirmation of the bear break will be if we break the low of the candle 1282.70 at close. And then the supports will be here at 1281.60. Then we'll look at 1284.20 and then down here at 1278.30. So still what to watch on the hourly overnight as it develops. On the daily, we also have an inside candle. So we have a back test of the 8 EMA here. That's held 2 times now. And you can see that we've been holding the 8 EMA pretty well here on this up move. So we need a break back above this 4 EMA. But we have an inside candle. Again, same thing. A bull break would be the high of this candle at 1285.20 if we close above it tomorrow. A bear break would be if we close below it at 1278. And if we break bull from it, confirmation of the bull break would be if we got over this high here of 1292.70, and then we'll look at this recent high for resistance at 1297.40. Supports will be the low of this candle here at 1275.40, close below that. Looking for further pullback, and then the next supports we'll look at is down here at 1273.80 and 1273.30, the high of this candle. And you can see that this candle has a lot of upper wick, so there was previous resistance there. And so previous resistances can become strong supports when they were strong resistances. So we are over that. We'll look for that if we pull back further at that price support area. And as far as the miners go, again, junior miners showing much more weakness than the senior miners, but just like gold, we have an inside candle to watch for tomorrow. So inside candle, high and low within the previous days, high and low. So a bull break would be a close above 35.70, and then confirmation if we break above this candle here at 35.59. Bear break if we close below 34.33, and then confirmation if we lose 33.90 by the close. As far as senior miners go, senior miners still stronger. We also have a inside daily candle to watch. We did have a long wick of profit taking here at the back test of the 4 EMA. So we do have a TCG bear cross. Again, a TCG bear cross is when the 4 EMA crosses under the 8 EMA. So you can see it's similar here. TCG bear cross had a little bit of downside. So it depends on how long we're going to be down here under this TCG bear cross. And if we see something like this, it could go on for a while. So really need for bulls, really need to break this candle bullish here, and a bear break would signal further downside. And we'll look at supports after the low of this candle at 23.28. We'll look at support at 23.20, then 23.02. And again, GDX has been holding this 50 MA backtest. Well, we lost it yesterday. Sorry. So we had this 50 MA as support. We lost it yesterday. It looks like we were trying to regain it here. We regained the 20 MA, but we really need to get above this 480 MA. So we'll look at how that inside candle plays out tomorrow. One word of caution for gold bulls is the US dollar, Japanese yen. We're at this daily downtrend here. We'll see how it reacts here. We did close above the 80 MA here, and if we get a TCG bull cross, we may see some further upside again. Last time we got a TCG bull cross, the last couple times we've had a little bit of upside there, so something to watch for. And another thing to be concerned about for gold bulls is you see that we had an inside candle on US dollar Japanese yen daily, so high and low within the previous days, high and low, and by closing above the high of this candle, 109.17 is confirmation of a bull break here. And obviously, then further confirmation would close above 109.21 here. So the next resistances we're going to start looking at after this downtrend line is the high of this candle here at 109.85. And because there's this big red candle here, if we get above 109.85, we may have a even stronger move up in the US dollar Japanese yen, potentially a back test of this 20 MA here on the daily, which is at 110.11 and quickly descending. So that is something to be wary about, is this inside candle bull break for the US dollar Japanese yen. Don't know if it had hourly inside candle. So just like gold, we have forming an inside candle so far right now. So we'll see how this forms. It forms within the high and low of this candle to be inside candle, then we can see how it does overnight on the break. See the low 109.24. Yeah. So we'll see how things go tomorrow on those inside candles on all those charts on the gold and the gold miner charts. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.